Learn from the eagle, not the parrot. A parrot talks a lot but cannot fly high. An eagle, on the other hand, stays quiet and soars above the clouds. This teaches us an important lesson. Talking too much won't take us far, but staying focused and working hard will help us succeed. Eagles have many qualities that we can learn from to live a better life. One important lesson from an eagle is that it flies alone at high altitudes. It does not mix with smaller birds like crows or sparrows. This means we should avoid negative and small-minded people who bring us down. The people we spend time with affect our thoughts and actions. If we surround ourselves with positive and successful people, we will also grow and improve. Eagles have sharp vision. They can see their prey from 5 kilometers away and never lose focus until they catch it. This teaches us to have a clear vision in life. If we want to achieve something, we must stay focused and not get distracted. Challenges will come, but we should not give up. With determination, success is possible. Eagles are also fearless. No matter how big or strong their prey is, they fight with all their strength. This reminds us to never be afraid of difficulties. Life is full of problems, but successful people face them with courage. Instead of running away, we should stand strong and find solutions. Another inspiring quality of eagles is that they love storms. While other birds hide, eagles use strong winds to fly even higher. This teaches us that challenges should not scare us. Instead, we should use difficulties as opportunities to grow. Hard times push us to improve and become stronger. Eagles do not eat dead meat. They only eat what they hunt. This means we should not rely on past successes. Just because we achieved something before does not mean we should stop working hard. Life is about constant growth and improvement. We should always look for new opportunities and set bigger goals. Eagles also prepare their young ones for the future. When baby eagles are ready to fly, their parents make the nest uncomfortable, forcing them to leave and fly on their own. This teaches us that growth happens outside our comfort zone. If we always stay where things are easy, we will never reach our full potential. Lastly, when an eagle grows old, it removes its weak feathers, beak, and claws. This painful process makes it stronger and helps it fly higher than before. This teaches us to let go of old habits and fears that hold us back. Change is hard, but it is necessary for success. If we learn from the eagle, we can overcome challenges and achieve great things. Stay focused, be fearless, embrace challenges, and never stop growing.